Nakuleli viki uNomalanga usakhulelwe guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini from the 24th to 26th of June 2024 on Monday. Hurt by seemingly unrequited love, Nomalanga considers leaving Gwenzo unable to hide. Deliwe has to face confrontation heads on Tuesday. Nomalanga shares her plan with Gcina about how she is going to handle the pregnancy. Deliwe refuses to give up her marriage without a fight when Zeni hides a letter from her school on Wednesday. Vuma warns the youngsters to stay away from adult affairs. Nomalanga's scheme hits a snag when Gwenzo does something unexpected. Vulepi and Sangweni embarks on their mission. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.